Question number 7 of exercise 12.2. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Use pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.73. Given a given radius r is equal to 12 centimeter, theta is equal to 120 degree, sine 120 degree is equal to 2 sine 60 degree into cos 60 degree, sine 2 into 60 degree is equal to 2 sine 60 degree into cos 60 degree is equal to 2 sine 60 root 3 divided by 2 into cos 61 by 2 is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta into cos theta. साइन 120 डिग्री के वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए इस फार्मूला का यूज किए हैं, साइन 2 थीटा. साइन 2 थीटा इज इक्वल टू 2 साइन थीटा इंटू कॉस थीटा. एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट area of segment ABC is equal to area of sector OACB minus area of triangle OAB is equal to pi r square theta divided by 360 degree minus half r square sin theta is equal to pi r square, taking theta is equal to 120 degree, 120 degree divided by 360 degree minus half r square sine 120 degree is equal to pi r square divided by 3 minus half r square इंटू साइन 120 का वैल्यू होता है √3 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू पाई का वैल्यू लेना है 3.14 इंटू 12 इंटू 12 इंटू 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 3 माइनस हाफ इंटू 12 इंटू 12 इंटू √3 divided by 2 is equal to, taking pi is equal to 3.14 and √3 is equal to 1.73 is equal to 3.14 into 12 into 12 into 1 divided by 3 minus half into 12 into 12 into 1.73 divided by 2 is equal to 3.14 into 12 into 4 3.14 into 12 into 4 minus 1 by 2 into 12 into 12 into 1.73 divided by 2 6 is equal to 3.14 into 12 into 4 minus 6 into 6 into 1.73 is equal to 150.72 150.72 minus 62.28 2.28 is equal to 88.44 88.44 centimeter square Answer